So we're just here to help, man. We're just going to get you in the medic. Make sure you're good to go. When the calls come out like this, they come to us and the medics. So there's already a medic coming, all right? So you're not in trouble, nothing like that. Okay. That Toyota right there, guys. Turn around. There's no tag on it. Watch out. You got a gun.
Okay.
Get out of the way. Brandon, come to me. Get my, hey, Jeff, get my rifle. Get my rifle. Get my rifle.
What's your status? You're with the subject. What's your status? In the car, he pointed at a gun at us. He's taking off.
Let's go.
Eastbound on Bad Street.
Go.
Up toward Hopkins.
Let's go. Go. Go, Jeff. Jeff, let's go.
Give me the air. We won't go far away from Fayette.
There he is. Oh, shit.
Behind him. He's stopped. He's getting out of the car. He's getting out of the car. He's back in the car. You gotta block him in. He's turning southbound on Caroline. He looks like he wants to go southbound Caroline. Caroline and Fairmount. He's up on the southwest.
Guys, he stopped, he's bailing, he's pointing, he's getting out of the car. He's back in the car.
Oh man, block it!
Guys, you gotta block him in, he's turning left. He's going southbound on Caroline. Looks like he wants to bail, guys. Southbound Caroline. Caroline and Fairmount. He's up on the sidewalk. Alright guys, he hit a tree. Get up on him. He's pointing a gun, Guys, he's pointing a gun. They're shooting. Shots fired. Let's drop at 13. Fairmount and Caroline, drop at 13.
Signal 13, George 394, shots fired.
Caroline, Fairmount, Caroline, Signal 13, shots fired. Fairmount, Caroline. Hey, good.
Signal 13, shots fired, Fairmount and Caroline, Central District.
I'm here. Can you move? I got one officer shot in the leg. 309 here, 309 on the scene.
out of Caroline.
Suspect.
Fox, you got a fire truck right up the block from you.
Suspect down.
Suspect down.